Yes, it's a meta stream. Hi! Welcome! Well, hi! It's me! Hi! I'm in Unity! What is this place? Hi! Welcome! Also, wow, 2 bots before I even appeared. Holy crap! X! Thank you very much for the resub as well! Thank you! And yes. Thank you, X. Very much appreciated. Holy crap, 23 months as well. And Devnal, thank you as well. 25 months. Okay, that's actually the highest number.
Jeez.
That's actually the highest number I've ever seen. Wait a minute, is this... Wait, why is it capturing smoother in Unity than it does when it's compiled? What is actually going on? But hi, welcome everybody. Hi. Hype train incoming. Does that mean it's actually coming, or are they wanting to scam people more before it gives the hype train? I don't actually understand what that means. Is the train really on the way? Has it left the previous station, or is it more...
Exactly. Is it more that they must be bribed? Hi. Well, look at that! You can see it sending the requests to the music. Oh my god! What is happening? Thank you.
Cheese.
This is far too much cheese on me.
Cheese.
Omni.
Cheese.
It's time to stop.
Cheese?
God damn it. LG, thank you very, very much for the gift of sub. And Grades, Oz as well. Hi. Welcome. Hi, everybody. I have to look to the side this way, which is going to make VC face recalibrate and think that I'm always angry when I look back at this screen. Because that's just what it does. Thank you for the pats as well, Maple. Oh my, the Maple. Hype train level 3, holy crap, amazing. Also,
now that people can understand what I'm saying. Also, Stu, thank you very much for the hydration and posture check. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm doing it. Unlock a random emote. Why is it saying that at the top of the screen? Unlock a random emote. Oh my god. Wait, are they even more trying to push the scam train now? Like, it shows hype train at the top left? Oh my god, it's going through so many little animations. Holy crap. It's like some arcade machine attract screen up there. Jesus, Twitch. Cool it. Alright. It's not that people hadn't noticed Twitch, it's that people don't care. Alright. Anyway, sorry, once I finish being super sassy to Twitch, holy crap, I'll also do a posture check as well. Yes, an arcade machine. Hi Kiuna, welcome. I have also saved the kidney, so I've refunded that one already, Stu. And also, welcome in Liquid! Lick! I should say lick! Cheese. There we are, I did it. I licked the cheese. Hi, psych. And welcome Nove! And a bot that got banned! And Owl, even though you're probably still streaming. And Devnald, of course! Thank you again for the resub. How is 25 months? That's crazy, that's the highest time that I've seen yet. I think, unless I've forgotten already, I might have... My memory is crap. No! Wait, surely... I don't know, my memory is crap. And then another bot that got banned. And Elgin, welcome Elden. Hi. I'm not doing too terrible. Well, I mean, I'm better than yesterday. And LG, or Elg, hi, welcome. You just found the new Twitch meta. What is the new Twitch meta? Oh, right, being inside Unity. I see. Trade Splatter, welcome. Trade, I should say. 2? Did you not count Nova? Did I not count Nova? Oh, 2 bots before I appeared. That's true, Nova was here as well. That's true. But I'm not going to be bunking Nova. And I mean, you know, not in an unpleasant way. I don't know if she wants to be bunked. I think she has someone who can bunk her already. Exia, welcome. How are you? 25 is the highest number confirmed. It's true. You cannot store a number higher than 25. Everyone knows 5 is the highest number, and 5 5s are 25. And that's it. That's all you can do. you can't raise it to a third power or anything. Anyway, some say there are numbers higher than this. I don't know about that one. I don't know. Look, subscriber slash 20. Oh wait, of course it's subscriber slash 25. That's because it's how long it's been. I was about to say. I was about to say, look, there's a random number here and it's 25, but no, it's 25 because stuff. Never mind. Wait, badge info subscriber slash 25. Badges subscriber slash 24. Oh, I know why that is. That's because the badges, there's only a badge for like 2 at the 2-year mark. There's not one at the 2-year and 1 month mark. Also, I just realized with it. Sorry, I ate something immediately before I appeared on the stream, and it's a little bit still stuck in my throat. Apparently, I can see how long someone's been a sub for just in the Twitch. Sorry, in the IRC message. I never realized that before. I don't normally stare at these the raw IRC messages, so I'm noticing something new. Anyway, welcome in, Omni. Hi, how are you doing? And Decento, hi, welcome. Let them bait us into giving you money. Look, I mean, I can't stop you, but I will still call it scam. Also, thank you very much for the enormous rolling emote that I haven't integrated into my streaming setup at all because I'm not sure there's a way to detect it. Well, there actually might be for the huge emote. I can't remember. For some of them, there isn't in the IRC. Let's see if there is a way to do this one. Oh my goodness, look at this spam. Oh, you can't see because I'm not showing the screen. Look at this. My chat is like full of this spam. It's now popped up a thing to say hype chest. This isn't a fucking gacha game. Get out of here. I'm trying to stream. Okay, anyway, welcome Kiona as well. Hi. And Psychic, welcome. And welcome Pixel Sorted. Hi. Sorry for having such a rant on the as the first thing you see. Welcome. Sorry. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. Welcome in. Yeah, why am I repeating myself? I'm stuck. Better to see huge emotes are still a thing in a year and then implemented. That's true. I implemented that thing that lets them. What are they called? Not pinned messages. So, something else. I forget what they called them. The things that you could. It was just YouTube super chats, different colors and stuff, and they'd stick to the top. I implemented that on the day they came out, and that was on stream. I just realized that they were a thing on the day that I was streaming. And then they didn't last very long, did they? So maybe I won't bother to do this one. Hi, Viridian. Welcome. Loot boxes. Yeah. Apparently they're a thing. I guess. I don't know why. Jeez. Yes.
Oi, jeez.
Why did she say that so enthusiastically? Jeez. Wow. Welcome you. Thank you very much for the resub as well. Holy crap. Is it resub day? It's not cheese day either. Oh, I should mention something about cheese though. It's not cheese day yet, but there will be a cheese day, but I'll mention it once I finish scrolling through this through these comments and reach the most recent one. Huge emotes are awesome. Well, I very much appreciate you throwing the bits at me in order to send one, despite me increasing the price a little bit to try to dissuade people from spending money on them. Anyway, hi, I'm Derpy now. Pleased to meet you. I don't know why I'm derpy, but I am apparently. Hope the youth is doing well as well. Or the Yuias, I should say. Yeah, so today is not cheese day. However... Oh, hang on a second. It's going to be showing old things here, actually. Yeah, it's showing old things. I really should make it... It would be good if I do implement it, at least being able to detect huge emotes so that it shows up here under the recently 3 bits at me, because that's out of date now. I do appreciate it though. Elg. I was looking for a moment. Where is it showing the name? I thought it was LG, but I didn't see it. Then it's like I have to look down in the small print in the blah blah blah. Anyway, so today is not cheese day. However, I am planning. Sorry, something I am planning on doing a stream where I do like a cheese taste test for my streaming anniversary, which will be in 2 months, approximately. Thank you for the pets. So I've been looking into like where you can get cheeses, sets of cheese and stuff for not ludicrous money, but also not terrible cheeses. And so yeah, that is a thing that will hopefully be happening. Cheese taste testing, yeah, and like ranking, I guess, because everyone needs a good tier list, right? I'm gonna find that so hard to rank. Am I gonna? Yeah, maybe I can make it easy and just like be like, I don't know. I have to decide on my tiers. None of this. F E D C B A S S S S S S. Cheese. Wait, I didn't mean to make it say cheese. I was trying to turn on reverb. There we are. I pressed the wrong button. Sorry. I don't know, maybe like 3, maybe 5 categories at the tops? Oh my god, that's such a good emote. What the hell? That looking emote is really good. Who drew that? Valhalla Moon. It's a good emote. I still kind of want to ask Piffle for an eyes emote, because Piffle has an amazing eyes emote. My favorite eyes emote. Well, I mean, Awazora also had a really amazing eyes emote. It's a bit different though. The Awazora's one was super versatile. It could look like a disapproving glare, kind of like that, or like a, you know, sort of like that. The way it was done. Hi, Misaka, welcome. How are you doing? When are you numbing? Don't forget the Legendary U. The Legendary U. Is that the latest thing that companies are adding? Because of rank inflation? Nothing. It's like the sizes at McDonald's. What was it? How is it? No, I forget how is it. The size is somewhere where like they start at large. I know it's extra large. No, it's extra large. Actually, I think it might have been condoms. Anyway. Because they don't want to make people feel inadequate, so it's not like you get an F rank thing, you get an A rank thing. It's really good. Then there's also a S and then SS and U now apparently. Hang on a second. I need to turn on a fan, it's getting warm already. Okay, there we are. It's certainly cheese, that's not what I meant to say. You'll be testing all the cheese listed in the Monty Python's Cheese Shop sketch, I assume. Oh no, there's help, I didn't know there was like, you know, a pulp culture thingy about the cheese thing that people would know and be expecting me to be covering. I don't know about that. I got a U on one of my GCSEs. What does that mean? Undefined. Uniformly agreed upon that it is a good score. Unambiguously good. Unclassified. Unique. I'm not sure that's a good thing to hear though. It's top tier. U for wop. Whoop. But hello, welcome everybody. I hope you're all doing well. And I need to remember that I don't need to switch to this view to enable you to see this, because like you're already seeing it. In fact, if I do this, no, that's the wrong button, come back, help, animation. If I do this, it'll be slightly bigger feedback. There we are. Ooh. Can I touch the central point? Oh my god, I can. Can I? I can! My hand tracking is not really wanting to go that high. Okay. Oh no! No! There are so many hands waving goodbye to me. Oh god, reverb, go away. Yeah, okay, so better than if I was again because U doesn't show up on your certificate at all. It means you fail. Oh my god, Cabbage! Hi, Cabbage! Wait, did I see you earlier and I forgot to say hi? Hold on. Oh my god, I did! You posted the burger! Ah! Cab, hi, welcome. I'm sorry. This is the danger of me like reading chat before I appear on screen. I'm like, yeah, I've read that. But I haven't responded to it on stream yet. I really should put like a microphone there so every time I come closer you can see me talking into it. It doesn't look like I'm... Well, I guess it kind of looks like I'm talking into you, the chat up there, right? Hello, this is the ear of the chat. Look at this mess here as well. Blank P. One day I should fix this. But hey, I have the project open now, so I guess I could show that. Also, I have another project open behind it. Wait, no, it's the same project. Also, I haven't... No, wait, this is the other project, but that's not the Unity. There we are. Hopefully, sometime, I'll get to showing this on the stream as well. Stu helped me with this recently. Don't look at all these walls. Don't look at that. Anyway, that's a blank screen. Where's the Unity I want? There it is. Yeah, I added sound, Stu, and I quite like it. You could just put your hand up there. Your hand tracking thinks they're the same thing. Oh, I could just touch the mic like this and put my yeah, there you go. Look, now you can't tell that there's no mic behind it. Maybe I have a mic in the palm of my hand. Sorry. Me using BSP brushes. Wait, was BSP the format? Yeah, BSP was the format of the maps of Quake 2, I remember that much. I don't know what you mean by brushes, though. Everything is a wall. Wait, where? No, but I just saw the email. Okay, alright. So what was I actually planning on doing today? Binary space partitioning, yes. Also look at this. These numbers here on the right hand side are the numbers that I need to make my hands do in order to do like a thumbs up. And these ones are the numbers I need to make my hands do in order to do in order to trigger the sparkles in my eyes. And the bottom one is the one I need to do to do this. Anyway. Wait, can I just take this? No, this... Wait, I kind of can actually, but it gets overwritten. Can you see that? My eyes sparkle occasionally. That's kind of funny. Oh my god, it looks like I'm blinking. Wait, I can't. It's not happening anymore. What the hell? Alright, I'm gonna stop making my face glitch. Hi Tanner, welcome. So what I wanted to do today is something similar to that, but annoyingly just different enough that I can't use that. Isn't that always the way? So this system I made here is... no, not this one actually. It's not similar to that, it's similar to this. The blocks you make your map out of are usually referred to as brushes. Oh, okay. I see. I played around in Cool, Qoole once, which I still firmly believe is a simpler way of modeling, like much easier than Blender. But anyway, to make Quake 2 maps, but I didn't remember them being called brushes. They probably were, I didn't just have a crap memory. So this thingy here called external receiver is receiving motion data from VCFace. Here's VCFace. It's rendering this interface 60 times a second. How much of the GPU is it using to do that? Let's get unhappy. Should we get unhappy? Let's get unhappy. I think we should get unhappy. It's using 4 to 5% of a 3090 to render that UI. And like nothing else. It's in the background minimized right now, by the way. It's just sitting there, hogging 5% of GPU. Anyway. So anyway, that's VCFace is doing the tracking. And it's passing on the tracking data via UDP. Well, a protocol on top of UDP called OSC, which is hideously inefficient, but whatever, it's a standard, so that's what I'm gonna use. Anyway, yeah, that's for VCFace when it's not rendering an avatar. VCFace is not rendering an avatar there. But I'm more concerned about the CPU usage and the fact that my hand keeps getting stuck in the air. Learning Trench Broom to make maps to import with Quodot. Wait, is that a Godot version of Cool? It sounds like it'd be pretty interesting. You can make a map when? We could do a stream where I make a Quake 2 map. That could be fun. I think there's an issue with Cool's interface redrawing on Windows 10 though. I think there was something that didn't quite redraw correctly. I think I have a vague memory of checking it like a few years ago. Got a plugin to import map data. Used to make a small streaming environment. Oh, used it to make a small streaming environment. I see. That's pretty cool. Huh. What's the Q for, I wonder? So anyway, this thingy here is what receives the data. It's not made by me. This is part of the... I think it's part of the... what's it called? Easy VMC4U? Or just VMC4U or something? As in Virtual Motion Capture, which is the name of the protocol, I think. 4U, meaning for the digit 4, Unity. And part of it has a built-in system of being able to pass on that motion data to another, or yeah, basically being able to pass on that motion data to another class that wants to process it, and then that class can pass it on to another class that can pass it on to another class, which is quite a nice system actually. So so basically they already use that in here. So for example, they have set up a thing that says, wait, is that the only one? Wait, why are these ones still hidden? Okay, I guess these ones were originally in the list. But because I'm never wanting to receive camera data from VC Face, that is like how the view's positioned in there, or any of these other things. Holy crap, my voice just got blocked out for some reason. I removed them. And now the only one in its list of next receivers is my one called Blend Shape Touch Up. And in my Blend Shape Touch Up, I have designated a next receiver that is the gesture monitor, which is this. So you can like daisy chain them like this. Which will the Uke use? Radiant Trench Broom, the editor that Uke mentioned before that I've not heard of before. Hamburger. Probably cool. I've never heard of Radiant. Oh wait, I feel like I might have heard of Radiant. I've certainly never heard of Trench Broom. Anyway, yeah, so Blend Shape Touch Up is a thing that I made that can do a conditional find and replace on blend shapes, basically. For those who don't know what blend shapes are, let me just show you a very satisfying view of them all moving around. Somewhere in here. Why is this? What is this? What? No, actually, where is it? Here? No, body, right? There we are. There we are. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those sliders go. How cool is that? So these, oh my god, it's so slow to be redrawing all of these sliders while also rendering. Holy! Holy! Anyway, so yeah, these sliders control the way my face is warping. Is it fast when it's on this view? No, it's not. Not at all. Not at all. Let me just go into this weird, have this weird out-of-body experience. Yeah, my Unity really is running this slowly. But yeah, basically, if I were to pause this, then I could like change the, wait, no, which ones are changing? Blah, 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 blah. Well, I see these sliders moving. These are eyebrows down, like that. And what is this one? Oh, it's the outer shape of the eyebrows and stuff. And you've got this mouth shape that can be replaced with other ones. And, you know, all that good stuff. And also there are ones that control the ears, like this. But look, that's one ear. That's one ear moving down. A lot of interesting names in these sliders. Yeah, indeed. You can tell which ones I added, can't you? Up here, I made a terrible, terrible mistake of adding a blend shape in the middle of the list. If you're going to be modifying a thing... Oh, my ear's stuck now, right, because that's not a blend shape that's being changed. Hold on, let me fix it. Yeah. Never do that. I did not add the ship on. Okay, there we are, I'm smooth again. There's a sheep on the back. Look. I have a tail. Ah! Oh my god.
Cheese.
Look at that. Look at that cheese from the side on the view. There it is. The shippo is actually a blend shape that was originally on the skirt. It pushes the skirt up so the tail doesn't clip. But however, cheese. Stuff. Anyway, yeah. If you're gonna add your own blend shapes, hi Chaos. Then put them at the end, because Unity, the only way you can access blend shapes in Unity is by index. So the top one is 0, the next one down is 1, the next one down is 2. And so if you make animations that control certain blend shapes, and then you insert one into the middle, now those animations are changing completely the wrong blend shapes. Oh, obviously if you have code to access it by index as well, you're now, yeah, GG. So don't do that. Anyway, where was I? I was gonna say something. Yeah, most of these are from a booth model. But yeah, this originally was a model, I mean it still is, like a model that's based on one named Uketsukejo by Arisaka Mito, which is in the credits below. And then I merged also, yeah, so the sheeple one is from a skirt that I merged, and then I added these ones. There was already a tongue modeled, but it didn't have any blend shapes to move it, so I added some blend shapes that let me move that as well. And then ones for changing clothing in VRChat. Oh no, not in VRChat actually. I can't, well, I can remove some things in VRChat, but it's mostly for when I have this maid outfit on, and then I want to remove parts of the other ones. Otherwise I have all this happening with both clothes fighting for attention. So yeah. Blem shapes. I always wonder what controls the ear movement. Controlling the ear movement is controlling ear movement is exactly what I'm going to be doing on today's stream. So I'm glad you mentioned that specifically. Hi, Hoppy Hollow. It's the cat dev thingy. It's me. I am the weird cat dev thingy. Omega and Delta. These are the mouth shapes. So, that's a very awkward frame to land on. So it's this shape of the mouth. It's bending it up into like a cat smile. And this one's bending it down into a triangle. Actually, that stacks very well with the current blend shapes. Often, if you turn on multiple blend shapes for the mouth at one time, it becomes a little bit nightmarish and broken, like this kinda, and so yeah. Anyway, I'm coming off this view because I don't want my frame rate to be running that crappily all the time. However, I will need to be on that view again, so I'll do a try. Thanks. Don't worry. I'm not really like that. Although wait a minute. I think I might have turned off the thing that enforces restrictions on the limits. So I certainly could become very horror-y if these limitations are still turned off. Yeah, they're still turned off. They're very much still turned off. Alright. So I wanted to this is not so much breaking the fourth wall as just like planting TNT in the fourth wall. Average source engine model. Yeah, right? This is like what people do on the silly or the SFM YouTube poop thingies, just driving the blend shapes, whatever they're called in source engine, past their usual maximum positions. So anyway, my VRChat avatar, when I wink, like that, in case you didn't know what winking was, that corresponding ear? Breadst indeed! I thought it was lead speak. Thank you very much, Dara. 27 months! There are numbers higher than 25. Holy crap. Thank you, Dara. Hi, Dara. Welcome. Why did she say? She said bread. She said breadst. Breadst. There was a D in there. Exactly like that, Chaos. Because the 2 is like a Z and the T is like a 7's like a T. But hi, I hope you're doing alright as well. So yeah, when I wink on my VRChat avatar, the eye closes, but also that ear goes down. And this is a thing that happened like a long time ago. But I think it's not an easy thing to do on, hold on, let me test.
31,337 haxel.
Yeah, there has to be at least one letter, otherwise it can just only assume that it's a number. It got the haxel correct though. There's a chance I might work on Unity and I'm a bit scared. Oh, I'm sorry. Well,
Ruby speaks Leet.
she does! She does! I didn't go like super far and do like the multi-character ones like vertical bar greater than is K. I don't think I did anyway. Well, I'm doing Unity today, so let's suffer together, Dara.
Yuki's fur, a velvet stream, soft as starlight's gentle gleam.
Starlets?
Each strand a glow, but smooth and light. A second touch in the quiet night. Like lunar clouds, her characters shine, a beauty rare, pure and divine. Its warmth, a comfort soft and deep. Yuki's fur, a perfect keep. Let's spawn some noobs.
Let's spawn some noobs. Hi Nuge, welcome. As always, I don't deserve these kind words. Why am I not looking at the camera? Okay. Yeah. It's not easy. It probably is possible to do as a VSF avatar, which is a fancier one that Nyan exactly. That Nyan. Thank you for the pats. Yeah, that was a good end. What was I trying to say? I'm glad that you're keeping the fur as little as there is. I'm not going to remove it. Why is this music? Oh yeah, it's this one particular song, isn't it? It's a little bit louder than the rest. I'm turning it down. Anyway, whatever. TLDR, I want to make it so that it does that in my streaming setup as well. And I can't quite use this because this thingy that I made here, this is like a conditional find and replace. So what this thing does is it will replace, it's effectively replacing the value of one blend shape slider and like cutting and pasting it, don't look at my broken finger, cutting and pasting it from one slider down to another slider. That's basically what it's doing. If another slider is on or off, by which I mean like over 50% or not, or larger than or equal to 50. Anyway, so basically, oh yeah, here's an annoying thing. Blend shape sliders actually range from 0 to the values in code range from 0 to 100, not 0 to 1. So if you're ever like trying to control a blend shape and you're like setting it between 0 and 1 and you're not seeing anything change, look really closely at the slider. It might be shifting by like a couple of pixels and you need to make it 100. Your trigger one blinks too? Yes, exactly. That's the problem. So I would need to modify this to have various other conditions and stuff, and like I made this thing like a long time ago in a way that I thought could be expandable, but like I've never expanded it. And so I'm hesitating to make this ear up and down thing expandable as well, because I just think it's just probably not going to be a thing that I need. I might as well just hard code the damn thing. But yeah, what this one's actually doing here is when I'm smiling, which it detects by seeing when the omega, the one that looks like a 3, is turned on. So here it's not. And now it is. Actually, let's go over to the... Hang on a second, hang on. Let me move out of your face. If I stay that close up, Kat's gonna arrive and she's gonna spray me for being in your face. Let's detach this, or just move it over there. And hold that on, and then let's also get this view of the blend shapes. You know when you got the right one because it starts running really slowly. Oh, no, now it runs really slowly, right. Where is it? Here, this one. So if I get close up and I smile, this one turns on. Some other ones change as well, but this is like a really reliable one. And so when that's on, it replaces the... Okay, let me get off this view. I hate the fact that it slows down so much. This is crazy. And literally anything else. Sure, this one. Get back in there. It replaces the eyes closed thingy to look from this to this. So it's sort of, it's like the eyes are smiling as well. Is it difficult to set up emotions for tracking? It's... how do I explain it? As far as VC Face goes, VC Face has this thingy. Hang on, let's zoom in a bit. VC Face has this expression detection. This has never, ever, ever, ever worked for me. Yes, I've looked at the tutorial. Yes, I've tried multiple times. Different avatars, different computers even. And I've never, ever got this to work. So it's probably PepCac, and the problem is probably me. So I just keep it on this one. Which basically it tries to detect happy. Well, it calls it fun. Fun is when you're smiling. Angry is when you are frowning, or rather your eyebrows are low down. And surprised is, I think, when your eyebrows are raised. So I just made like different combinations of blend shapes that should trigger when it detects that I'm smiling. One of them is turning the omega on so that I smile. Another one, it's a little bit subtle, but the eye shape changes slightly. Like that. And surprised makes the pupils smaller, and frowning makes the... Oh, that's another thing! Frowning makes the ears go down. So there would be multiple conditions to whether we should do this. We'd have to not be frowning, and we'd have to not be blinking. If those two things are true, then we can like touch... Oh my god, what are my fingers doing? Why are they doing this weird bending thing? Now they're not. Oh, now they are. Now they are. This one is. Your eyebrows are pretty strong on that interface. How do you train them? My eyebrows are pretty strong on that interface. Pretty strong on that interface. Like moving up and down? I don't know. I think it's the Nyan Juice. I think the Nyan Juice does it. I forgot I was saying. I also bumped the mic, sorry. So basically, I want to make a thing that... Oh yeah, right, there's one more condition. Not only... or one more requirement of what I'm wanting to do. Not only should this not happen when I'm frowning, and not happen when I'm blinking, but it should also... This is the one requirement that really makes it so that I can't easily mix it in with this. Because I'm going to need some kind of interpolation. I don't want the ear to suddenly snap all the way down. I'm going to want it to move towards it. Or move by a certain amount each frame. And... yeah... There was an eyebrow strength slide. Your eyebrow strength is like Rolly's power maximum. Oh, right, yeah. That's because after a while, the eyebrow tracking stops working. That's just how VC Face is. I guess it's how OpenC Face is, which is the face tracking thing that it's using. Yeah, every now and then, like after maybe a couple of hours, I often have to turn off and on the tracking because it no longer tracks the eyebrows enough for them to be detected as surprise. So I can no longer go and have the shrunk eyes for dramatic effect. And sometimes I can no longer do this either. So yeah, I put the strength really high in the hope that it keeps working for longer. There's a lot of... Yeah. A lot of strange issues like that. Basically, VC Face seems to constantly be doing some sort of calibration behind the scenes. There's no way to, like, lock it. It's like, you're fine, you don't need to adjust anymore. No, it's like, it's always adjusting and stuff. I mean, Enlin discovered that when she was looking into porting it to C. Let me click on that view. You can see that I have an invisible desk. Amazing. Oh god, they go inside me when I do that. Uh-oh. Maybe I shouldn't just press random keys. Alright, let's get back. Oh no. Oh no, I've done something. What have I done? What is this? I've done something. Okay, wait, thank God it Control Z undoes it. Whew, that's scary. That's scary. Yeah. What the hell, my audio just died. So yeah, I want to make either another processing thing or possibly slap it inside blend shape touch-up. Probably should make it a separate thing though. Even though it is, strictly speaking, it is touching up the blend shapes. It's gonna be like a hard-coded thingy, but it's not super, you know, changeable. There, I've made notes that :3 is number 39, etc. As of some version of my avatar that hasn't changed since this thing. At least the order of blend shapes hasn't. But yeah, because I'm gonna need to be like receiving motion data and stuff, I'm kind of gonna need to be like, I can't have a version of my interface running so that you can see it normally, see me in the bottom left doing stuff normally. Thank you for the hydration, Exia. And the posture check, Exia. Because only one thing can receive motion data at the same time. So I'm gonna code a little bit, I'll disappear, then I'll switch back to here and you'll see that I'm still here, it'll be okay. Hi Tuflu, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. You know a way to extract PNG from a bundle file. They're made with Unity. I have absolutely no idea. I've never had a need to do such a thing, I'm afraid. But welcome. And bye, I guess. Since you're coming only for that, in your own words. Sorry. I cannot be helping. Isn't a bundle just a .zip? I don't know. Asset bundles are things that, yeah, people generally don't. Well, whatever. It's some cursed thing on top of an archive of Unity's. Unity packages are just zip files renamed, and also the files inside them have been renamed. But asset bundles are different. There's something else done other than just renaming it. And then basically, from what I remember reading, it's easiest to convert an asset bundle into a zip file, and then to treat it like almost like a Unity package, or just a zip file, I guess. But it's possible to pop the viewer out from Unity. You can pop it out into its own floating window within Unity. I don't know if that can. Yeah, you can actually move that somewhere else, but it minimizes when you do that. And yeah, I think it's either all on top or nothing on top. Yeah, unfortunately, it does that. Holy crap, Script Kiddies have been paying their AWS bills recently. Sheesh. Look at all these spam bots. Anyway, I don't have experience doing that, I'm afraid. This is just what I've read from other people, so I am afraid not. Look at that! Clear chat followed... That's not what I wanted to do. Clear chat followed by the thingy. That's the bot. Okay, anyway, what am I trying to do? Let's do a thing. Oh, right, I wanted to make a... Do I want to make a new one? I might... I'm kind of tempted to build it into this one, actually. I'm gonna build it into this one. Screw it, I'm building into this one. Actually, should I? No, because this actually works in any model right now. I'm about to add stuff that will only work on my model. So let's not do that. Let's do it properly. You, for God's sake, do something properly in your life. Where are my scripts? PQRS scripts misc. Ignore my extremely stretchy ears when I do that. Ah, you know what? Screw it. I'll just get a compiled version running, and I'll have to stop it when I want to test it. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna appear. Hold. There's no proper way. Only the way you choose. This sounds way too wise for me, as in like I'm not that wise. It's loading, I think. I hear it, but I don't see it. Nyan indeed. There it is. Hi. Well, I don't even have a hat on the other one. I just realized. Also, look, It's not as smooth, at least for me. It's not being captured. Holy crap! I thought that was a joke for a second. That someone else was just saying the best viewers on because of how frequently they're coming in. Real T-pose hours. Nah. All right, Lungy Cat. Yeah. Oh, also, the stickers that I ordered for like doing a quality check on them, like samples, before I allow anyone to waste their money on them, have finally been dispatched today. So I'll hopefully be able to check them out soon and see what they're like. Hopefully they're all right. And then it's just like badges as well. I don't have high hopes for the badges because reasons. Nothing to do with how they're made, but the fact that the images that I'm using for them are not ideal. But we'll see. This music needs to chill just a touch, just a little touch. I'm hungry. What a great time to start coding. Also, I've been going for nearly an hour and and it's 7 PM already. Amazing. I had been not streaming so late, but since I've been having sleep problems recently, I'm just streaming whenever I can. Hi, Dara! Thank you for the hat pat. Even though it clipped through. Is Capture nicer with Unity than Godot? I don't know. I'm using a pretty cursed setup right now. So OBS is actually doing the capturing and passing it into Unity, and then Unity is passing it back to OBS. But that does not explain the fact that it's looking at a low frame rate just for Unity in general, even when it's not showing a view that's been passed from OBS like it is right now. Thanks for your answer. Goodbye. Answer late. My cat just pooed on the floor. I'm very sorry. Alright, good luck. So I can help more. Good luck with cleaning it up. Catcher is nicer with Pokeballs. Okay, I see what you did there. Alright, we're making a new script and it's gonna be called... Hi, Israel! It's not gonna be called Hi, Israel. It's gonna be called... I called it VRMBS Corrector. Oh, that's so generic! That's VRM Blend Shapes Corrector. I mean, that's actually not that generic, it sounds quite specific, but unfortunately what I need to do now is correct things as well. So I'll call it VRMBS Earwink. Why does earwink sound... Oh, because it's like earwig, isn't it? I guess. Sounded familiar. Anyway, let's edit this. Let's edit this. Let's edit it. Okay, can we edit it? Holy shit! Everything's being weird where I have to tab away and then tab back. Well, not everything really, it's just hashtag just Visual Studio Code things. Cat poo is the worst. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of dog poo either. Thank you for the pats. Hi, Inlin. Welcome. Ear wink. Wink ear. Ear wink. Wink ear. Alright, so we're gonna do the same thing as this. We're gonna inherit from easy... Oh, there you are. You can see easy virtual motion capture for you dot this. And we have to implement these two special functions in order to be a valid child. We're currently an invalid. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this, because as the comment here says, stuff required to support daisy chaining, but which we don't really care about. I am currently in then. I am. How am I doing? I am. / D... Wait, what does it say? Daisy chain. Okay. I literally just copied this. Amazing. So I just kept it the same, and this the same, and this the same. Yeah, okay, so I'm not touching any of that. That's just stuff. That gives one of the required functions, methods, called update daisy chain. We also need message daisy chain. Boop. 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 Although, you know what? This is actually like less efficient because now we're gonna have to be doing two. Well, not two, not. Oh God. Okay, this is actually gross. This makes me really not want to do this. But by having two separate classes, every single message, every single VMC message that is like the motion data message, and it is a string for a start. Okay, every single message is a string, and one of these strings is sent for each of, I think, each of X, Y, and Z of translation and rotation for every single bone. And we're going to do a string comparison on every single one of those messages, which are sent once, well, every second. So, yeah, that's enough to make me not want to implement a second class, and I'll just do the checks one time each, instead of once here and then once here again, and just make a separate function in here, because, you know, screw that, basically. Boop! I'm going to prioritize fastness, also known as speed, over reusability. I just need to delete some code if I want to use it in something else anyway. It's not really that many string comparisons. They're huge strings, and it's like any string comparisons are gross in my opinion. Having to work, imagine like I would already be a bit annoyed if I had to implement like 1,000 integer comparisons on every frame. Now realize that you're doing that for like every char in the string, right? We're going to check all of the characters if they differ early. Yeah, but unfortunately they all have at least /vmc/, so that's at least 5 integer thingies. Hi Supersource. Been some time. Do you know there is a game trade association called Ukia, which is known for giving jobs to game devs? Pretty cool, recently found out. I did not. Can you extend from the other? Probably could. Yeah, probably could, actually. How would I do that? It's a good way of doing that. I know how to do that. I guess... I guess I would have like a list or array of a certain class that has a function with a certain name in it, and then this class will call that function on each of those classes. Right? Am I streaming on a Z80? I wouldn't check. Am I streaming on a Z80? No. I just don't like anything that's doing unnecessary stuff. It's gross to me. Even better. Look, it's so. Look, if I run this in the profiler, you can see, like, it's quite obviously visible. Hang on, how do you do this again? Window. What's the profiling stuff? I forget. General? Analysis? Profiler, here we are. You can see the section where it's processing the motion data. Although now I have to turn off this. Boop! There we are, I'm gone. Ads maybe miss your explanation. Oh, I'm sorry. What is my explanation for what? Oh, yeah, I'd need to make like a list of classes, and that class has to implement a function of a certain name, and then I'll just like call that function on each of the classes, right? Inside there, I think. Even better, it's UK based. Has the presumption that it gave you inspiration. I'm proven wrong. No, absolutely not. I didn't know about that. Okay, let's run it. This is now obviously gonna run much more slowly because it's having to time everything, so. But, you know.
Yeah.
Actually, that's not even that much slower. What the hell? Oh wait, we're not doing deep profiling there. 1 sec. Boop. Is it slow now? Is it doing it? Huh? Okay, okay, now it's slow. Now it's slow. Holy crap. Is it actually taking that long per frame? No, it's not. Wait, I'm very confused. What is going on here? Enter play mode. Okay, my computer's not happy. My computer's unhappy. Alright, there we are. So, processing on motion data, blah blah blah, and let me just pause it on one of these frames. How does one do that again? I don't remember. Do I just press that? Did you just see my hands rapidly trying to catch up with my motion data? They just went like zip zip for a second. That was funny. Alright, so let's just look at one of these frames. Wait, I just clicked. I'm so stupid, I could just press pause here. Alright, where are we? Where are we? Job. Okay, that's what I want. Here we are. So a bunch of time is actually being taken up by dynamic bones. That's quite a lot, isn't it? Is it sheesh worthy? I think it might be sheesh worthy. Anyway, here we are. Look, this section here, this whole section here, is the receiving of the stuff. Also, how deep can we go in here? Bone synchronize object.op inequality. Actually, that's not even the string. Is this the section? There. Is this the section I think it is? Is this the section I think it is? I'm also expecting it to go much deeper. Thank you very much for the holy crap, for the 6 months? Thank you, Tano. I'm sorry, I didn't have that visible at the time. Thank you very much. Thank you. Very appreciated. Why am I struggling to like... How do I like... Can I just like zoom in without having to go... Oh, I can't zoom in any further apparently. What the... This is not the area I thought it was. Also, like, why can't I go further in? I thought there should be like functions going very deep. Is this part? What's this part? Oh, I'm not even scrolled to the top! Right, there we are. Okay, so this is OSC again. Okay, here we are. This section here, there we are. This section is the huge one. There we are. So this is one frame. Approximately, like, over a third of it, approaching half of it, is being taken up with processing the OSC stuff. There we are, that's what I was trying to find. And if I could keep zooming in... The external receiver, blah 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 blah. This is a little bit gross. This is a little bit gross. But this is actually dictionary related stuff a lot of the time. Look at that. This is actually dictionary related stuff here. External receiver.humanbodybones.try pass. I'm assuming... Well, I shouldn't assume. Can I double click and go to it? No, I cannot. That's annoying. External receiver... External receiver. External receiver... Oh, it's locked. Hi, Chris. Welcome. I have to alt-tab away. Now I can alt-tab back, and that works. Try... Oh, hold on a second. I have to double check something here. One sec. Oh my god, that sounded like one of the keys being slammed. One sec. Hold, please. Hold, please. Alright. I think we're safe. I'm not sure though. Was it called try pass? Here we go. Oh, okay, it's just literally just a bunch of... Oh no, there is this as well. String checking. It's quite a lot of stuff. Okay, whatever, this is... But when I start looking into this, I get a little bit depressed. So I kind of don't want to. But thank you for the pants, Grace. Just think how much more efficient this could be if it was just passing floats. Instead of strings. All these strings. Look at it. Look at it! Look at it! Okay. Alright. Now that I'm happy, what was I trying to do again? Oh yeah, not do that. Let's close this. Looking. Oh, you're looking with a blindfold on? Oh no. What am I trying to do? What is sending strings? Let me just drag the culprit into view. You know it, you love it. It's VC face. Because yeah, that's how the motion data is received. It's all strings as one frame. Anyway, enough of that. Why? I don't know why. Well, because it's built on top of OSC, which works based on strings, which is nasty. Anyway, what's I trying to do again? Oh yeah. Let me reappear. Hold on. I'm appearing. I'm loading. Here I am. Oh, right, I'm T-Pope. Hold on. Ah, this is the problem. Look, I have to close this one first. Hi, Lexi. Welcome, welcome. I hope you like this black screen. There's going to be something on it in a moment. Now it's a grey screen. Now it's me. It's me. Alright, can this music chill a little bit? It's a black screen again, but less black this time because I'm like around the outside. Oh, Eminem's coming back again. Alright, so let's do it. Let's just make a function that is called private void. Okay, it's been 1 hour 9 minutes. I think it's about time we write some code. Well, welcome, Lexi. Hope you're doing alright. I remember seeing you in, I think it was Nova stream? Possibly Owl stream. Private void, do ear wink, sure. And we're gonna need some statefulness here. Which I guess I could do with a static variable in here, right? Wait, does C# static variables and C static variables, do they work in the same way? I feel like I ask this every time. Thank you, Lexi. Do earwink equals sure. Thank you for the like, Kazakan. Also, hi, welcome. Well, we'll find out. Private. Wait, do we need to define as private if it's inside here, right? Static. Wait, do we even need that? We don't even need that. We just... Well, I guess we need to know the current state. Basically, we need a state machine. We need to know a super simple state machine. Thank you for the posture check on the hydration. We need to know whether the ears should be moving downwards or upwards. Well, each ear should be moving down or up. Or yeah, they could be moving in other directions if I'm swapping from one ear to the other ear. Oh my god. I'm struggling to put a lid back on the bottle. There we are. I'm sorry, Zipposaurus. Alright, so what do we want to do? We want to... Why is it complaining about so many... Oh, this is an external receiver, right? That's not even my code. Earwink shouldn't exist anymore. Don't I deleted Earwink? Don't delete Earwink? I did delete Earwink. It's not a thing, right? VRMB earwink.cs. Okay, let's go into it then. Unable to open. Yeah, no shit. It doesn't it doesn't exist. You're showing me an error and then you're showing me an error when trying to show me the error. Oh, Visual Studio Code. My ear is like hurting a bunch. This is concerning. Why does my body always decide to have problems on a Friday? Because everyone knows you're not allowed to get ill on a Friday or at the weekend. Because doctors' places close here. Anyway, I don't know, but it always seems to happen on a Friday. Anyway, so what am I trying to do? We need a status for the left ear and the right ear, I guess. Or a state, not a status. Can we define an enum inside here? This is not a thing I usually do. Is it possible? Let's call it ear state. Although, we're gonna be... Yeah, effectively I'm needing to kind of implement a little bit of the Unity animator myself. I can't actually use the Unity animator. Because... I don't think I can. Actually not sure now. I don't know what order, or the order Unity does the stuff in. I don't know if it runs like the scripts before it runs the animator. Because if it does, then the animator could indeed overwrite the blend shapes, and I wouldn't have to do it in code. Because my VRChat avatar didn't. Well, you can't use your own code in VRChat avatars, so I had to do it in the animator. Do you think it's worth testing? No, because I can't access the blend shapes from the... Does indenting in C# matter like in Python? No, not at all. Not at all. You can replace every space, like every area of space in here with a single space and it would work exactly the same. Well, actually it wouldn't if there are comments, because like if there's a comment here, I can... If you remove the comments, then that's the case. Like this. You can make it kind of nasty like this. And it would still run. It's the blip 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 for you. The blip blip blip. Oh, wait, the opening? Oh, so the... Wait, the closing? But these are all closing. You can make single line horrors beyond human comprehension. It's true. It's true. It's true. You see them in general. Oh. Yeah. Often when I have something like this, where it's a little bit hard to see. Like if this was like spanning over a longer vertical distance, so especially since I couldn't put it all in view, and if there's multiple levels opening and closing and stuff, I usually will add a comment here which just says like ended if do replace, for example, or ended for each blah 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 as a comment over here, just because it's, you know, makes it easier to keep track of stuff. Single line? Yes, yeah, I read it. Don't worry. Did I even realize that you made a typo there? I'm not sure. I think my brain just automatically corrected. Alright, let's have an ear state. I apparently have an ear state right now. Unfortunately, in real life. It's fine, I have a natural neural network based autocorrection. Indeed. Indeed. Organic neural network. Is this a thing that can exist? Type or namespace definition or end of file. Expected. Okay, I guess I do have to put something in here. Wait a minute. What's he complaining about? Okay, nothing. Enum ear states. So let's have like we need like up, lowering, down, raising. Wait. Have I forgotten flipping C syntax? What's wrong with this? Does it just not want it inside here? What if I put it up here instead? Yeah, I think it just doesn't want it inside a method. Okay. For ear winking, not winging, winking. It assumes too much. No worries, no worries. I unassumed that is that right? I mean, no, I guess I assumed it, but 2 wrongs made it right. If I remember, do ear wink is unused. Yeah, so we're gonna want to call do ear wink here. I guess we actually want to make it do something, huh? Ear wink, man. I wish you could just hide these errors. Like, this one is not made by me, and this one doesn't even exist, but there's no way to get rid of it that I know of. Unless I can press delete on it. Shift delete, control delete, control alt delete! No. Okay, so let's make a thing called... So can I make a static ear wink state? Or ear state enum after all? Let's call it... ear state left. I'm also gonna have an ear state right. Okay, it doesn't want static inside there either. Alright. I guess static does not mean the same thing in C as it does in C# as it does in C. Okay, so we'll have 2 of these. Can we say what the default one is? Make field read only. No, let's not be silly. I will assign to them at some point. Or do I have to do equals new do I actually have to do equals new ear state enum? Wait, is that actually a thing I need to do? Is that actually a thing I need to do in C#? Like, if I just make an integer, I know I don't need to do it on that. My int. Wait, you can actually do that. You can actually do that on an integer even. Okay, so maybe you don't need to do it on here. We'll see if we get a null reference exception when I try to read from it. Alright, so it's gonna need a certain state. By default, I guess it's gonna be 0. Although I could specify it explicitly. Ear state enum.up. Yeah, can we do it this way as well? Yeah, we can. But I think it'd be a little neater if I do it this way. Why am I screaming so much? How do I keep touching caps lock? Alright, so let's do a thing. Let's switch on... Well, let's make a function that basically does one single ear. I'm gonna call it, we'll call it, proc single ear. One ear or something. I don't know how to call it. One ears wink is what I want to call it. Or one ear wink ear. Help! Naming things is the hardest part. Exactly, it's like caps lock! One ear, fine. And we'll pass in the... by reference, the ear state for the current ear that we want to adjust. And we'll also pass in what blend shape this ear is controlled by. which is an integer if I'm not mistaken. Thinking a blend shape is just an integer, right? Int find is an integer, yeah, okay. Int, so this is blend shape for ear down. What's the problem with this? Oh, I need to give it a type. And do ear wink is gonna call proc one ear twice, one with the ear state left, and the blend shape number for the left ear, which I need to find out right now. Hope everybody likes counting, because we're about to count. Right about now. Okay, there we go. Funksoul Brothers. Can I use tab to go through them? Yes, I can, thank God. Okay, so we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we're looking... Wow, I scrolled and I lost my position. Which one was... Okay, we're looking for which one? This one, right? That's both ears. So this one is right and this one is left. I would love it if it could just tell me the index. But... Oh wait, hang on. I can do a clever thing. I can alt-tab backwards. Wait, is it gonna give focus to it when it goes out of view? I mean, make the view move when it... No, it's not. Can I scroll? I can! Okay, I think this is big brain. Well, it's a bit too big brain for me, so I'll just count forwards anyway. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Oh, it's precisely 60 for the right one, and 61 for the left. Okay, 61 is the left. 61 is the left. I've got to type ref, haven't I? So it understands I really do want to pass it by that. 61 left, 60 right. Thank you. Thank you for the note, big brain. No, my big brain one was I was going to click... Oh my god, my computer is dying. My big brain thing was going to be I was going to click on one of these, the left or the right, and I was going to shift tabs, so go backwards through them until I reach 0. Magic number found, saving to memory. Yep. Unfortunately so. I might as well write this here as well. Ear down left. Debug.log error format. Yes, that's exactly what I want to do when I press tab in the middle of writing a comment. Space tab. So this was 61, sorry, and right was 60. I need to remember to get a notebook. I need to remember to get a notebook to keep notes when I work on things. I use this. Windows has one built in. I have Blender with, and I imagine every other OS does. I have Blender with Photoshop with 4K. I have Blender with Photoshop with 4K image open, so I just assume it's my laptop dying. Oh, wow. I wonder what you're working on. Are you drawing something? Okay, so here's what we're gonna want to do. We're gonna switch on the ear state. Switch on the ear state. And if it is case state dot lowering, we're gonna want to keep on lowering it at a certain speed until we've got as low as we can. And by lowering, oh my god, okay, this is going to be confusing actually. Lowering is increasing number and raising is decreasing number. Ah! Okay, wish me luck. I'll send. Ooh, okay, let me just hope this doesn't show up on OBS. Okay, it's not showing up, nice. Whoa! Ah, is it texturing for that? That looks so flipping professional. What the hell? Nice. I do believe Dara might be doing some cookery right now. What's wrong with this case? Oh, I don't break. Is that what it's complaining about? Yep. We're also going to want to do something if it's raising. We're not going to want to do anything if it's up or down. We're just going to set those states so that we no longer continue to, you know, do things. And we want separate states for up and down rather than just reached whatever we're heading towards, because we only want to trigger the change into lowering if the air is not already down, or that we only want to change the state into raising if the state is not already up. We'll worry about that in a moment. By in a moment, I mean probably like the last thing that we do before testing it. Rendering fire effects in Blender took so long. I hope I don't have to redo the animation. Oh no, did Blender crash? Yeah. There is cooking. Alright, so, lowering, what do we want to do? Well, first of all, we need to decide on the speed, I guess. Can I define a constant inside here? Constant, not even an int, but a, float, I guess. We sort of want to decide on how long it should take for an ear to reach, like, up or down. So, like, I think that's an okay speed, right? I just realized this is going to look a little bit scuffed because my oh, this is going to suck, actually. This is going to suck. Because, oh man. Yeah, this isn't going to be good. The eye is going to go into its position first, and then the ear is going to slowly start moving. Is that really what I want? Or do I just want to set the ear's downness to being the same as the eye's closedness? Exactly. If I do based on a threshold, the eye has to pass that threshold before the ear starts moving. That's the problem. So I'm just looking at myself as I wink. That's true, yeah. If you're doing it with images, then you can just continue it from a certain frame, right? As long as the simulation doesn't have to, like, take ages to reach the first frame that you want to render. Thought it was home playing, still a banger. I thought it was home playing. What is home playing? Is that the name of a song? The song is this. Yeah, so I want the eyes to need to be differing by a certain amount. Resonance from home. Is that the name of a song? Yeah, if the eyes differ too much. Which, by the way, is actually how VC Face does it as well. VC Face is already doing some thresholding, and it's making my eyes look exactly the same openness until it thinks one of them is, like, closed by more than a certain amount, and then that eye will jump. Do you see it? I'm gradually closing one eye. When it gets below a certain threshold, it, like, the eyes separate and one of them stays open and the other one closes. Famous track that sounds similar to this. I see. I'm afraid I don't know it. Randy Goff. Is that the name of the artist? I can't... When Cabbage says something, I can't tell if it's like a pun at first or not. My brain is not knowing how to turn that into a pun, so maybe that's just the legitimate name. Alright. We could do it that way as well. Yeah, let's just do it that way. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much easier that way as well. Even though this way would be more satisfying. Yeah, we don't even need this. Like, at all. Well, yeah, we still would need this. We just don't need this part. I'll comment this out just in case I decide to go back on myself again. But I'll just do this instead. So this is left. And this is right. And actually instead of this, I'll just comment the entire damn thing out. So it's going to need a different function definition as well. And we'll call it the same thing. But instead, we're going to want to know which blend shape to change. So this is the blend shape of the ear going down. But we're going to want to know what the eye closeness is. And that is going to depend on something. It's not always going to be the same. Because one of the blend shapes closes the eye in like the happy way. Like that. And the other one closes it in the more relaxed way. Like that. Hi Happy, welcome, welcome. Yay, you refactor? Yeah. I haven't even made it yet and I'm already refactoring. Let's call this blend shape for eye close. Which is going to be dependent on whether we're currently smiling or not. Wait a minute. Yeah, no, this should be okay. This might look a little bit glitchy as things change. I'm sure it will look very glitchy actually. But I shouldn't often be going from winking to angry. I'm also struggling to even... Oh, apparently I could be, huh? Is it a plugin for something? This is a script in my streaming setup, which is made here, which is this thingy, which is yeah, made in Unity and taking forever to reload. This is me in my room. This is a flashing thing. Sorry, that's the chat. And that's the compositing. Also, look, there's a little long uke. That's not really the long uke. This is just a screen that the long uke's on. There she is. So this is flickering because there's like a 16:9 aspect ratio screen, and there's a 4:3 on top of each other. Don't look too close to the outline, it starts to get messy. Anyway, where was I? And yeah, so I'm writing a script to override some of the blend shapes that arrive from VCFace, which is doing the tracking. We love a good... It looked pretty cool, didn't it? So the idea is I'm trying to make it do what my VRChat avatar did, which is when I wink with one eye, the same eye closes. But with added restrictions that sometimes the ears... So did I say one ear closes? I mean one ear goes down. But there are some added restrictions, like sometimes the ears should always be down even if you're not winking, and which blend shape is used for winking changes depending on the current emotion. But expression, what do they call it? Emotion detection? Expression detection? I forgot what they called it. Anyway, if let's say I close... Wait, I close L and I close R. I guess we do on both eyes, actually. Do we? I think we do on both eyes. I'm trying to, like... I only need to do this twice. And so I'm right at that threshold between... Do I need to make this a separate function that I call twice? Or should I just make it one function? I'm never going to grow more than 2 eyes or 2 ears. And like... The two things are related. I need to do some checks for like both. So like I might as well just make it one function. I know you could customize avatars like this. Oh! Thanks! It's like yeah, it's it was originally a booth avatar. And then I did some things. I removed those pesky human ears. And I added whiskers. And I also added a bell and collar and changed textures of things and... Oh yeah, changed the outfit to one that was also not made by me, but it is in the credits if I'm not mistaken. It's living, it better be in my credits below. And also transplanted the legs from a different avatar. which I also bought, called Glaze, which is also on Booth. And Twin Tails are also non-standard. Yeah, this is sort of I guess you could call it kind of a kid's bash, but it's still mostly a kid's schedule, the original one. But like highly optimized, at least, in as in like there were many separate materials originally, and I sort of re-atlased it and in Blender and merged materials and stuff, and that is only 4 materials, but I think there might have been over 20 at one point. At least it was certainly very close to 20, maybe 18. Sounds like a little book. I actually really like the atlas thing. Also, all of this stuff being added was like over time, so it wasn't that hard. The hardest part, I mean, sorry, it wasn't like one sudden hard thing is what I mean. The hardest part for me was what was it? What was it? It was I was putting off something for a long time. And this is back when this was just my VRChat avatar. It's been this way all the time since I've been VTubing, but before then, there was a time when I was in VRChat, where arguably having many materials is even more of a problem. Because, you know, people's frame rates can drop in VR. And it's more unpleasant. And I had a lot of materials. Although, not an insane amount by some people's standards, but you don't need that many, so... Where's my frame rate? Ah, whatever. I need to stop talking about the frame rate. It's an obsession. But yeah, I hope the app is doing alright as well. It's such a cute peeking emote, and I know it was a while ago, but look at this. It's so cute! Okay. Frame rate looks good on stream. Okay. It's so weird. It's so weird. I wish I could see it smoothly as well. Please don't say it's struggling. Please don't say it's rigging related, because one of my oh my god, I can't. One of my furniture adventures, one of my future ventures, is to add more bones to my skirt. I can't do weight painting to save my life, so thankfully I didn't need to do that. But yeah, weight painting is, yeah, I don't know. I can't. That's some black magic if people can do that and not have it look extremely awful. So do I want this mention for eye close? Oh my god, my ear is actually hurting quite a bit. Weight painting is like playing gacha games. Is it? It's like machine learning then. It's also like playing gacha games. Because, like, at least if it's generative, randomness is inherently baked in, and even if it's not, you're not using randomness at the generation time, you still initialize weights to random at the beginning, so you're gambling on how useful those weights will be to the learning process. Anyway, then I have to learn the 4 bone sets are not much enough for leg movement. So you want to add bones to your skirt so that the skirt can sort of go up a bit when you're moving your leg, because cloth sim is also an option. You can use a cloth component in Unity. I'm pretty sure that's actually I think even Magica cloth is allowed in VSF files if I'm not mistaken. I mean VRM files if I'm not mistaken. Spend an hour to fix skirt so it bends when legs bend. It can do without it. It can do without it. I'm sure you mean. Also, congrats! The fact that you did it. And it only took an hour. I feel like if anything only taking an hour in Blender is like amazing. You can do it without bones. Ah, right. You weighted it to the legs, I see. Yeah. Not using Unity. Well, I mean, you can still, like, VRM still supports Magica cloth, right? If I'm not mistaken? Am I mistaken? I might be mistaken. It happens every now and then. Let me have a look. I think I might be mistaken. I think I'm mistaken. Wait, am I? I'm not sure. I don't know if I am or not. Hi, Delusion. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi. Not sure if it would work in Godot. I'm making things both easier and harder with that decision. I see, I see. I mean, you know, you can import models from Blender there, so if it works on Blender, it'll work on there. I hope at least, it's GLTF files, right? That you can import natively on Godot? So, program for current avatar? Yeah, I am actually, I am, and I'm trying to think. What's the best way to go about this? You know what? I'm just gonna make it one function. Otherwise I'm needing to do checks multiple times inside the proc1 here and it's still bothering me. Okay, holy crap. This is the third or second refactor. Third factor? Since I've begun and I haven't even actually done the damn thing yet. I'll be able to turn it into a soft body if I separate the mesh though. Interesting. Interesting. I've never done any soft body sim stuff. It is interesting to me. I heard the soft body sim system in Godot got worse from 3 to 4. That's just the thing I heard. I don't know. Anyway, let's see. So we need to decide on a blend shape for the left eye. And that's going to be based on whether we are smiling or not. But first of all, we don't be doing any of this if we're angry. Okay, so let me double check.
Cheese.
Yep. Okay, cheese has been double checked. Hi Yuki! Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to disappear for a sec. So that I can run here instead. And I want to see if when I go angry, it is one of these blend shapes, the one that looks like an upside down V. I'm doing hand motions even though I'm not on screen yet. Wait, why do I still look? Oh yeah, right, it's because I'm on this view. There we go. I want to see if that blend shape... Sorry, we're going to have a low frame rate for a sec. Oh, it's I think. Yeah, okay. So it's... When I'm doing this... Oh no! Oh no! Okay, I didn't realize this, but look, hang on. Look at this. Let's just make the frame rate sensible. When I'm angry, the mouth looks like the upside down V shape, and it also clips a bit. Oh yeah, right. I also made these fangs. When I was talking about stuff that I customized, but when I raise my eyebrows, the mouth also changes. In that direction, so that's not a good thing to test to see if I'm angry. So what is the eyebrows? But the eyebrows can be down even if I'm not angry like this. I think I might know what to do. Let me test something.
Hello. I'm evil now. But yeah, it's a different blend shape, I think, that makes both ears go down. Fuck! It is. That's what I'm using. This blend shape here. That pulls them both down. But the physics on my ears is going crazy with the low frame rate. Well. Evil sweary you. Hey, I'm not swearing. I'm not swearing. Hold on, let me just... I have to get this running again. Otherwise the effect is never gonna stop.
Nyan.
I don't know if it's been 1 minute yet, but I'm gonna have to turn it off manually.
Okay, I've turned it off. I'm sorry, I don't know if that was 1 minute or not, but because I stopped my streaming setup, it was never going to automatically turn off that effect. Okay. Yeah, so the cats command is, yeah. Erend, does coding and also weightlifting on stream. And there's another mutual friend of ours named Kat, who, doesn't weigh a lot. And so we, Erend added a function to display the weight that he's aiming to lift on today's stream in units of how much Cat weighs. So it's cats. And it's just very funny to see sometimes that he's lifting like 3 cats. Thank you about the transition. Perma evil you can. No, don't worry. It's not gonna stay like that. Okay, so the ear both is one. No, that's not ear. That's eyebrows. Ears both is one above the right ear. So 59, I guess it is. Yeah. Okay, I need to write down what these blend shapes are. Thank you for the follow, more chat. Has a little pocket fox. Yeah, it's true. Okay, so 61 is that, blah, 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 and this is making it... This simultaneously makes it a little bit easier and a little bit harder. Because, we now have a reliable way to detect whether the VC face thinks I'm angry or not, and that's this blend shape, which is super nice. This one is like always 0 when I'm not angry and 100 when I am. So that's nice. But the problem is, we somehow need to transition from... Oh, no we don't. No we don't. Never mind. No, it's fine. We shouldn't do anything if we're angry. So if both ears are already down, we don't touch left ear down or right ear down. The problem that I was thinking of is, if both ears down blend shape is fully on, then you can also turn on these ones in addition, and it'll be warping the ears into like a doubly down shape, which is not good. But we don't touch them if they're already down, so it's fine. Good luck with your work, Abby. Thank you. I shouldn't be hanging around for too much longer because I still have to shower and stuff. But yeah, I still have to eat as well. Oh my goodness. Alright, so if avatar mesh dot get blend shape. This is gross that we even have to be doing it this way, but whatever. Thank you for the pats and the hydration in the posture checker center. Great soon. I don't think I'll have time to eat. Well, I could have like a bowl of cereal before I shower. But I have to have like fully ended stream before 9 PM my time. I didn't mean to disappear then, sorry. And the time currently is 8 PM, although I'm about to be thrown away. Rude. Why? I can't go yet. I've done nothing. I've added this. These are 2 lines of code that actually, well, like, they won't do anything. These are like the only 2 non-commented lines of code that I've added. Amazing. Doohoo was saying that he only did 5 wrote 5 lines of code on his stream. Well, he's beating me so far. Also, take a close look at this now. I mean, you can't usually see it. When I do that, you can see it. There you go. I should also stretch. There you go. That counts for the posture check, right? So, if get blend shape weight... Oh, this is so gross. I hate these hard-coded things.
Juustoa.
Why? Why? I need to see one more thing. Is it controlling both eyes? Oh my goodness, I don't even know. I've gotta disappear again. Like this. So that this can run and capture my data. Wait, is there gonna be an error now? I think there's an error, right? If it's reloading from the script. Zip. I can't even see. No, it runs, okay. Does the hat have collision for the cheese slices? I'm afraid not, it goes right through.
Nyan.
Okay, let's have a look at a very low frame rate. As I close my eyes. Wait, is it this? No. That's eyebrows. Wait, which ones is it? There's so many different ways to close the eyes as well. Okay, there we are. Wink 2, left, and wink 2. And when I close both eyes, they both go up. Okay. And when I smile, it uses the other wink. Okay. So it's those ones. I do just need to use the wink ones. Thank God there is a blend shape to control the blinks. I mean, to control blink, that is like, both eyes at the same time. In case you didn't know what blinking was. But,
Nyan.
Nyan. Sorry, my streaming setup nyans at me every time I run it. To initialize the TTS. 92% dying. Yep. Nearly dead. Or nearly 100% dying. It's a bit weird, isn't it? When I reach dying, then it starts counting up to dead. I kind of want these to be like... Wow, well, what I really want is for these to be hash defined. But this is C#. We're not allowed to hash define things. So instead I'll make them constants, I guess. Sure. Const private. Const int. Blend shape. Wink. What do I even call this? Like, this is like the house roof. It's a circumflex, but I don't know how to... What should I name that inside a variable? We can't use this symbol in a variable name. Oh, I've gone smooth again. Wink, U, left, sure. Oh, I'll just call it N. Like that. Because that's sort of the shape of it. 37, and we also want U right. Also, I keep reading it as like uwu. Then we want one that is the ends. Winkin'. I'm winking here. U left is 37, 36, 35, and 34. And then we also need ear down both. Ear down both equals 59. Might as well just do the ear left and right as well. Also, right is going to be 5 letters long, so it's not going to fit. Now you have to do this. Oh my goodness! Thank you for the saving of the kidneys. I probably should do that. I probably should. Naming variables actual names way too advanced for a game. I try, but I spend too much time. No, don't eat me. Okay, fine. I'll go and save the kidneys. Alright, fine. I'll go. No! Oh, no, I can. Alright, I'll be right back. Ah! You didn't see that. Music, shut up. To the kidneys you go. Alright, I will be right back. I'll go and save the kidneys. In other words, go to the toilet. When I come back, maybe I'll get this into a state where it actually does something instead of just making this a just chatting stream with extra steps. Alright, be right back! Friendly reminder to anybody else to also save the kidneys if they need to. Bye! again. Sounds of struggling from beyond the screen. Now to whip this music away from you right as it's reaching its crescendo. Actually, I'll hydrate. There. That counts. That counts. That counts as done, right? Wait, where am I? Why is it not capturing? Oh, it is capturing. I'm just out of the screen. I thought it was just... I thought it was just capturing Visual Studio, not my thingy. Does the bell ring on stream when it starts tracking you? If you have mic turned off. Yeah, it does. It is a recording of an actual bell, but I slowed it down so it sounds bigger, and then it's based on motion or acceleration of the bell, but... Yes. Okay, so we'll get the blend shape weight of BS ear down both, which is the Angie one. So if this is larger than or equal to 50, because that's how it's done. Well, we do nothing. We'll just return. Okay, so wow, our code now compiles. Amazing. We do a test, and if it's above 50, if it's above 50, if it's above 50, we do nothing. But if it's below 50, we do nothing. What amazing code. So if yeah, Angie. Also thank you though. If
Cheese.
why? I only just came back. Hi, Breeze. What do you want to do? If I guess I'm just gonna put these into integers so I can just compare them and not have to keep on calling get blend shape weight. I wish I wasn't having to do that anyway, but let's call this val. Oh, hang on, we need to decide on the thingy as well. So :3 mouth. We need that as well. Oh my god, a private const int. BS :3 mouth equals 39. Wow, that's everything defined now. Holy crap. Why is this? Oh, that's the only one that's used. Ah. Okay, so we need an integer. Let's call it wink or val value as opposed to like the index. These are blend shape indices. Whatever. I'll call it val wink left equals. Oh, we also. Okay, let me do this first. If I hate us having to call this get blend shape weight. I wish we could just access it like in an array or something. If avatar mesh yes dot this BS :3 mouth is larger than or equal to 50. Or I guess I could just store it and make the line slightly cleaner. Val :3 mouth. I'm disliking this code more and more, but yeah, somehow it's still not as terrible as the... Why cheese on my face? Somehow it's still not as, like, whatever the word is, as the whatever I was talking about. The external motion receiver is somehow still going to be slower. I sincerely hope it's slower to check a load of strings than to look at one blend shape weight. Now I'm wondering. Okay, so if the if the mouth is loud noises. If the mouth is :3, then the wink left comes from the wait. Yeah. Ooh, hold on. I can make this easier on myself by doing this step before I even change the eyes. If I do the ear winking before I touch the other things, yeah, then I don't even need to worry, because originally the blinks come through as these, as U's rather than as N's, I think. Wait, which way around is it? Let's see, let me see. Big brain. Yeah, it means I don't even need some of those definitions either, those consts. Okay. Where's my find and replace thingy? Here it is. So it finds 35 and replaces with 37. So, oh my god, I can't alt tab. So it finds 35, which is N, and replaces it with 37. Okay, so it's actually a smiling blink by default. So I don't think we need these. So we don't need to worry about these. So we don't even need to worry about this anymore either. Oh my goodness. So much stuff we don't need to worry about if I do this before we modify things. So if the value of left wink is simply equal to this. Why am I printed?
Oost.
Wow. Rude. Sends me and then throw cheese at me. Turns out the censoring wore off, so I can now rant about it. Ah. So this is BS wink N left, and we're not caring about whether we're not thresholding it. We're actually wanting the value. Wait, what's the problem? Can implicitly type float to convert float to int. Oh, right. They can be floats. Okay. Well, they are floats. Wait, shouldn't this be larger than or equal to 50.0f then? Somehow it's already working. Galaxy Brain, comment out the code. Comments out the code. Does it now? I guess it does, huh? I don't know. What am I even saying? Thank you, Black Fox. But not for the cheese. Alright, so we want to compare them. And if they differ by more than a certain amount, then that's a wink trademark. I don't know how VCFace does it. Does it do it linearly, or does it do it like it must do it linearly, right? As in, like, if they differ by more than a certain amount, when you subtract one to the other, if the value is larger than a certain amount, rather than if it differs by more than a certain percentage. But let me just have a look at my eyes as I'm winking. Yeah, I think I need to differ by more than a certain amount before VCFace starts ungrouping them. So I'll just set some threshold. I don't know what it is. Let's pretend the threshold is... Wait, can you even have them in here? I don't remember. Wink diff thresh of... I don't know, 10%? Sure. So then, if the absolute value of... Where is that? mathf.absolute value of val wink L minus val wink R is larger than, or equal to maybe, wink diff thresh Then we want to change the ear of the eye that is more closed. What an confusing sentence. So if val wink left is less than val wink right, then left eye more closed, lower left ear too. And I'll just set it to the same value as the amount of this. So we'll do avatar mesh dot set blend shape weight of BS ear down left to match. Oh, we gotta quickly reset these as well if this is, hold on a second. We don't just want to leave these ears down if we're not angry. We need to revert them. This is going to be super snappy. This is originally why I was wanting to do the state machine where we do the gradual changing. Which I guess I might do at some point. I don't know. I mean, on the VRChat avatar, the ear goes down by the same amount as the wink, as the wink is. I don't remember how I did that. Oh no, it doesn't. They didn't, but the ears together do go down by a certain amount. So I bound it so that the trigger... I made the avatar so that the trigger of the VR controller, which is analog, controls how strong the expression is for angry specifically. And when I'm angry, my ears go down, like this. So yeah. It was only when I'm angry that they go down by varying amounts, not when I wink, I think. Okay, so if that is the case, then we're going to do avatar mesh dot set blend shape weight for BS ear down left to be 0.0f. I could also just have... Wait, what's the problem? Oh, right, sorry, that's not how you do it. Pass the thingy here? Question mark? Yeah. Rooked. I made a typo and it looked like I said that. Loved saying Unity box earlier. Unity box earlier? Oh, wait, speaking of Unity box, the box on Unity, I have to show you that sometime. This thingy that I flashed on screen at the beginning of this stream with these boxes here. That's the thing I was working on recently, but I want to show that off after I've got this working. Unity box. So you mean like the room that I'm in, right? I am just in a little box. Laughably called a room. And also, I guess if I don't want these to just snap to these positions, I could just have a function that's always checking to see if it needs to change to the... I don't know. Let's just get it working somewhat once. I really hardly wink anyway, so like, why am I so bothered about this looking good? Well, I've gone all this time without doing it, so I guess I finally am bothering now. So this is if angry, don't lower individual ears. Reset them to being individually up. Or raised, I guess I'd say. Valwink left. What am I doing now? Okay, so we want to set this to Valwink left. Otherwise, my hands are misaligned. Holy crap! We set this here to the right eye. So this is if left eye more closed, else if right eye more closed. This is lower left ear by same amount. Lower right ear by same amount. Oh my god. There is inherently going to be a bit of snapping with these ears going back to the full, back to upright as the eyes suddenly snap open. The room I'm in? Yeah. I do be a box. If one eye is noticeably more closed than the other, that's a wink! Dot dot dot. Should I put trademark there? No, I won't. Or maybe I should. Maybe I won't. I won't, you know, provoke Visual Studio into complaining about Unicode characters, even though I can just type one right there. Alright, let's see if it works, shall we? I think we probably should. Although wait, there's some other condition. There's some other condition that we want to return both ears to upright as well, which is at the end here. If we're not winking, both ears should go up. You're eating ice cream? That looks nice. So actually, we want to like do nothing else after doing this, and nothing else here. If these fail, or if this fails, this is going to be really weird code. Actually, this is going to be weird, but whatever. This involves me only needing to set the things once. Wait, what? Why am I not? Huh? Why am I not being able to do that? This enables me to only set the ears back to where they should be once. Which is here. So basically it has to pass all the tests, and if it passes all those tests, then we set one ear. I guess we should also set the other ear to not be. Avatar mesh dot set blend shape weight BS ear down right to 0.0f. I'm not sure if I like this code or not. Raise right ear fully. Otherwise, avatar mesh dot set blend shape weight BS ear down left to 0.0f. I love having an enormous tooltip cover up like exactly what I'm trying to read above this stuff. Raise left ear easer fully. Do nothing else. Else, if we are not winking, if we should not be ear winking, return both ears to being individually reset. Wait, no, it should be less than 50 now. Yeah, indeed. Creaky ook. If winking 3Gs in face, no, don't do that. This is a weird way of doing it. However, I do believe it might just work. So I think we should possibly give it a... I'm not even winking! Hell, do I need to wink now to stop? Well, I guess I am winking now. Look, for all you know, I'm winking. You can't even see my other eye.
Jeez.
Nuge, I need to stop running this setup for a sec. You're gonna be wasting your money!
Jeez.
I have to stop this setup for a moment so that I can test it on here. Well, I mean, it's already hit my face at this point, so you've done what you wanted to do. All right, let's run for our lives. Let's see if this works.
Nyan.
Nyan. Okay, so it's... Yep, being angry still works. And now I'm gonna wink, but you can't see anything because there's cheese on my face. Ah. Hold on, let me just lean back. Now I'm gonna wink. It's doing nothing. Whoa, wait, it did something for a sec. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, it's actually annoying. Hang on. Spine, chest, neck, head. Cheese target. Let's just stop those from being visible at all. There we are. 1 sec. It's doing something. Can you see that? Thank you for the pants. Look. Sometimes one eye goes down. I mean, one ear goes down, and it's the wrong ear as well. I have a twitch in one of my ears now. Okay, there we are. The cheese is back. One eye goes down. That'll be a very derpy face. I actually don't know if this cheese is ever going to disappear now. Fly onto object script. Does that die when it's wait, why is it low frame rate now? I'm not even looking at the blend shapes thing. Forever cheese? Maybe, I'm not sure. I'll come back in a moment. Right, let's see. What's wrong with this? This should be correct, right? Hold on. Oh, let me try something else then. I have to turn this off again. Okay, it does it when I'm smiling. Now does it do it when I'm not smiling? Yeah, it's still doing it when I'm not smiling. So I don't think it's related to which type of wink it is. If both ears down is less than 50, so we're not angry. That should be happening all the time. If left minus right is larger than the wink... Oh my god, it never said cheese! It never said cheese. As soon as it slapped onto me, it stuck to me, but because this was disabled, the fly onto object script, blah 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 blah. Thanks for going to my TED Talk. Stopped running when I did that. Just slapped onto my face. Didn't even say anything. Amazing. I turned it back on now, so the next one should work. Also, I'm gonna get rid of these cheeses. I'm sorry, I'm deleting them. Get out of here. 2 of them massively outstayed their welcome. I hope I only deleted those 2.
Cheese time.
Oh my god! Oh my god! When I undo and bring them back, it keeps slapping.
Ooh.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Does that mean I can just duplicate these?
Cheese.
Okay, this is actually hilarious. So I can just duplicate loads.
Oh, see.
Why is this too funny?
Yeah.
That is so many cheese sounds at once! Oh my god, you heard it run out of sound buffers. Okay, I'm actually stress testing this right now. Holy crap, do you see it like freeze for a moment when it's trying to get all the sounds playing? Oh no, it's not. No, wait, is it? It is! What the hell? Wait, hang on, I can't undo anymore. What have I done? What have I done? I don't know what I've done. Okay, I'm gonna delete these cheeses now. I hope you like hearing... because it's gonna be showing all of these names from now on for a little while. 70 of them, I guess. Are queued up to be shown. Thank you very much for the follow, Codemizer. Welcome, welcome. It's not even what I was trying to be testing, but I've ended up actually doing something semi-productive. So, if left minus right is larger equal to the threshold, this should work as well, question mark? Then if the val of wink left is less than wink right, then we set the ear down blend shape to match val wink left. And we set right to that. Otherwise, we set right to match right. Oh! Right. Of course. A value of... Wait. Wait a second. Hang on. A blend-shaped value of 0 on the wink means we're not winking for a start. So, it's actually a value larger than that we should be doing. I'm doing all the hand motions and you can't see me. So, if left eye is more closed, this is a measurement of closeness, not openness. So it should be that way around. Oh, I'm gonna actually have to cut this off for a moment because I need to restart this. Okay, let's try that. So yeah. So the numbers actually do match. Like a more closed eye has a high number and the more lowered ear has a high number. But because I was thinking of ears being open. I mean eyes being open. Why do I keep talking about ears being open? Okay, see if it works. That is so snappy, though. That is so snappy, holy crap. And look, they're not doing it when I'm blinking as well. But what about when I'm angry and I transition to a wink? Okay, nice, they're not doing anything. When I do this... My ear grows! Hi, long killer. My ear grows momentarily if I'm winking when I go angry and not angry. Watch my ear. Wait, it's not seeing me as angry when I do that way. When I do that eye. I'm gonna do the other eye. It's easier. My ear like doubles in size for a moment. Okay, I think that I wink so rarely that this shouldn't be a problem though. I've already got the threshold set quite well, I think, on VC Face, such that it rarely does like the looking drunk thing that I see happen to some VTubers. Because the eyes are being so individually tracked. Hi, Lonk. Yeah, I've got no time for making that look any better, probably. I don't know. Let me test, hold on. Holy crap, this is so unstable, this thing. Oh, wait a minute. I mean, my camera's falling down. Hold on, maybe that helps. I didn't realize my camera was falling down again. Probably from when I went boom to make a loud noise. Let's try. Let's see if it works better now. Wait, why does it think I'm angry now? Okay, I need to do the restarting of VC Face because I think I'm angry all the time. Not actually restarting VC Face itself, but just turning off and on the back on the tracking again, which resets its averages and stuff. Now I have to move my mouth in a weird way. I mean, not just my mouth, my entire face. All right, now let's test the winking. Wait, I probably shouldn't yet. Well, I'll try it anyway. Oh, it's kind of bad, actually, isn't it? It's kind of bad when it glitches like that. Wait, why is it... Oh, okay, I know what the problem is. Wait, hang on a second. I can do this super gracefully. I can do this super gracefully. Hold on a second. We don't even need to do this. We can... Okay, this is making me really happy knowing what I can actually do. We can actually do this super gracefully. So... basically what we want... I'm coming back. Basically what we want is for the... Hold on. There we are. So basically what we want is for the... As both ears come down, we want one of the single down ear to go back up, right? Such that they sum to no more than 100%. Because the problem with the ear bulging is because it's being lowered more than twice. So all we need to do is exactly what we're doing right now without this conditional check, and we just subtract however down both ears are. That way, if the ears are fully both down, then we won't wink at all, because we'll be setting it to like 100 minus 100, so it'll be 0. Yeah, this should just work. This should just work. Right? I'm pretty sure this will just work. Well, we'll probably want to constrain it to being within the 0 to 1 range in case the eye isn't fully closed. Because what that would do is we'd set the ear to a little bit down. Or a little bit not quite down. So maybe like 75% down. And then we'd subtract 100. So it'd actually move the ear like 25% up. Or minus 25%. Yeah, minus 25% down. Oh my god, I've got hiccups, sorry. So we'll cap it to the 0 to 100 range. I don't think there is a function in C# to do that, is there? There's a function called... There might be a function to restrain it to the 0 to 1 range. Closest power of 2. Like this saturate, which limits it to... Oh, okay, that's just in the shaders, never mind. Hi, Elden Heaven, welcome. Hold on. Pats for the Elden. Alright, let's finish this off. We're on the final stretch now. It's making it sound like I've actually been doing this a lot. Wait, what did I just do? Oh my god, I just did something weird. There you go. Hope that was to your liking. So yeah, basically we want like a min and a max inside each other. That's what this is gonna be. So private, float, constrain, I'll call it. Constrain float. Thank you. I'm glad it was a good nyan. Wait, I can bow like that. That looks a bit weird. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. So we'll it's gonna return a float, and we've got a value coming in. That's the current value. We've also got like a min and a max. Wait, set float to literal. What the hell is this? What is this? Set float to literal. State machine behavior. Oh, it's something to do with an animator. Wait, where is this? Is this mine? Oh, this is mine, isn't it? No, this is like... What the fuck is this? I think this is a thing that I made and I didn't bother to adjust any of this template code, so it looks like it's a built-in thingy, but it's actually not. Float. Not gloat. Gloat. Valmax. Amazing. And what I could simply do is return min, max, blah, 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 blah. Or I could do an if statement. But I think the argument nowadays is that it's faster to just, well, might as well just do the min and max then. It's faster to just do to avoid branching, right? So, I guess I'll not do it. Maybe I'll just call it constrain. And we'll return the min. No. The min of val. I mean, behind the scenes, let's be honest, min and max are probably doing if statements, right? Val. Yeah, surely they must be doing if statements behind the scenes, right? So it's great, I'll do if statements. If valca is less than valmin, return valmin, else if valmin, is larger than valmax, return valmax, else return valca. Not necessarily branching could be sometimes. Not necessarily branching could be faster. This is optimized behind the scenes. I didn't put semicolons. Oops. Okay. I'm gonna break this out into separate things because it's a mess. Frankly. We were just talking about being able to make one really long thingy. So we'll constrain it to this minus val wink, both ranging from 0 to 100. And we need to make a val wink both. We don't have one yet, so float val wink both is equal to this one. This one. So we're not even going to be doing that anymore. It's so weird how you can indent in that direction, but you can't unindent. It unindents the whole line. So lower left ear by same amount minus any minus any already being done by angriness, I guess. It's a bit of a weird way to say it, but is that right there? Left. Yeah. Yeah, no, that is correct. I think. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure. I'll basically do the same here, but it's just based on the right wink minus. Oh, this is not val wink both. This is val ear down both. Fine. Oh my god, is that gonna fit? It does just barely fit. Okay. Oh, it won't when I do this. Sad. Oh, it will! It will just fit. Woo! Okay, nice. Alright, let's see if that works. Let's see if that fixes my bulging ears. Allow me to disappear for a sec. Allow me to reappear. There we are. And run! Why is there a Fimsh alert? The Fimsh is fine, Cabbage.
Nyan.
Nyan. Alright, let's see if it works. So, Angie. Works. Bear in mind, this is happening all the time now. We're not like breaking out of this. There's no conditional thingy at the top. So that's really nice. Now when I do this... Oh my god. Holy crap, look at that! Look! There's no glitching as it goes from winking to angry. There is glitching as my eyes are glitching, but... I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. All I can really do to make that better is just, instead of setting the blend shape directly, we set, like a target for it to change to, and then we, like, smoothly change it. But that would probably bring back the bulging, honestly. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty happy with this. All right, I'm gonna keep this. That's good enough to ship. All right, let me call up the dockyard. Let me put on the tracker hats again because I actually kind of didn't want to get rid of it. And I think I might compile it. I think I actually might compile it. And I have just a few minutes left where I can show you the other completely unrelated thing, although it's related in the fact that it's still a Unity project. Alright, let's get this building, and while it's building and my computer is dying, I'll show you the other Unity thing. What a great idea! I actually can't even get myself running yet because, well, because this is compiling, right? The other Unity is compiling. I don't want to be running myself while it's trying to overwrite my files. So I can't be here, which means I should probably have a reverb, right? Because I'm a voice, a disembodied voice. However, this is a thing that I've been working on. I mean, a long time ago I worked on it. I've not been working on it recently, except for just a couple of nights ago, when the Stew, the MVP, Crazy Stewie, and I think, yeah, Bix still has the Stew headpad emote. Amazing, nice. There we are. Which can't be seen on the VOD at all because my thingy's not running. Oh, hang on. I think we're at the end. Copying files to final destination. Alright, we're done. Wait a minute, where's this gonna load? Oh, in the correct place. Alright.
Man,
I don't need to reverb anymore. Hi, I'm back! I can also now have OBS on this face and look at on this monitor and yeah. Look at you. Like this rather than glancing over there at the other monitor all the time. So hopefully I can wink now, it's so nice! Okay. Anyway, so now I can show you this. This is a thing that I'm eventually wanting to make a game. It loads this from a voxel file. I implemented loading from 2 different voxel file formats into Unity. And yeah, I wanted this to because I find it easier to do to design the level in a voxel editor rather than in the Unity editor, which is a bit sad. But anyway, and this is also a test for like Steam Audio stuff. Right, it's not that one. Anyway, so yeah, this is using Steam Audio and F1 and stuff, and it's basically just a kind of like a sandbox for when I'm having ideas of things that I think would be cool in a game. I've been trying to make them in here, and thank you very much for the follow, Delusional. I'm gonna actually try and pronounce your full name. Delusional Alcela. I'm not sure if that's correct. Wait, sorry. Wait, the Al is part of Delusional. Delusional Cedar. Or Celery. Anyway, I'm not sure. Don't bother. Too late! Okay, anyway, let me just run it. I'm pressing the button. Boop! I'm stopping the music as well. Even though there's no music in here. Because there is now a drone. Okay, that was louder than I was expecting, sorry. Hold on, let me turn the volume down slightly. So yeah, there's this drone-like thing. And look! The sound, there's like 2 different fan sounds. One of them goes up when it's moving in that direction. And you can see it like tilts itself back when it reaches the end to try and stop moving. This thing is also nyanning at me. This is multiple different projects being shown at the same time, which is slightly ridiculous. This one is a pathfinding, a thing that does pathfinding. I've shown this on stream before. I did the whole pathfinding thing before. But yeah, I'm super happy with this. How it looks and how it sounds. It's basically just trying to head to those 2 different targets. And if I get in the way of it, I'm just a capsule. It's like it tries to go around me and stuff. I mean, it's just trying to reach this place. It's also spinning, and the spinning should be affecting the sound, but it's not for some reason. I have to... I don't know. But yeah, I find that extremely fun. Also, the sound changes differently based on whether the target is above it or below it, which I can't demonstrate in game, so I'll just go over to the editor. This thing that's nyanning at me is this, by the way. Every 10 to 30 seconds it nyans. Anyway, if I move a target, such as this one, look at it! Look at it go! Isn't that fun? And if it wants to head above, then both of the fans, or both sets of sounds for the fans are going to go up. Like that. So yeah, the sound is like quite dynamic and based a lot on how it's currently moving. I was quite happy with it. Construction site? Does it? But yeah, this is a sound that I made in F1 Studio, which is not running anymore. I don't think it ever was. But yeah, I kind of like designing like sounds for that kind of thing. And if I can get it up F1 Studio, I can show you. So this game was meant to be like a kind of spooky. The project was closed unexpectedly. It sure was. I didn't close it. No, let's just get it back to how it should be. And yeah, this is just one of the sounds. This one, with these different ways of changing. And the sound should be changing slightly based on the direction that you're hearing it from. Wonder if I can... This is all a lot of stuff to keep in view, isn't it? Let me see if I can get this in view at the same time, all of it. That. I guess I can if I do it like this. If I squash them a lot. I wish there was a way to set all track heights to the same height. But I don't know if there is. I'm wasting a lot of time if there is. Maybe that works. Oh, hang on. This one can be smaller as well. Are they all in view now? They're all in view! So now if I run it, you can see how stuff changes. Which is kind of fun. You can also see stuff changing here. There's like a chorus here that comes in stronger. To give it like a choppy effect. Oh, I'm only looking at one of the fans. Also, this is the second attempt of like a drone sound. The first one I made was just designed to be like some... I was imagining the man hacks in Half-Life 2. And trying to make just a very freaky sounding thing that could hover around and follow you. And yeah, and it didn't have any ability to like change the pitch and stuff as it's flying, which is why I changed it. Interesting first message. And so originally it sounded like this, which is meant to just sound more sort of ominous, but then you can increase the angriness and it starts sounding like this. So imagine something like that coming after you in the game, which would be fun. It is like a sound engine, and yeah, you can set up stuff like this. That's Fmod Studio specifically, though. Fmod itself is like a more fundamental underlying. But welcome in, Machiavellian. Hi. Yeah, so basically the fundamental Fmod thing is where you would have to manually change all of these parameters, but Fmod Studio is like a layer on top of it, a higher level thing that you can just define parameters in this editor, and then from your code you can just change one parameter and it adjusts all of the things according to these curves. So as the angriness increases, stuff increases like that. I also made... This is my eeriest of ones. Also, welcome in some random Nika. This is my eeriest of ones that I just made recently. This one is kind of fully procedural. This one is just starts as a sawtooth wave. Which... Here we are. This might be loud. It was a little loud. It's word based on person. No, I don't know that word. I've never heard of that. And it splits off this sawtooth into these 4 separate bands, and each band has like a resonant, like a bandpass filter, and they all move around as if it's like some creature or machine attempting to sound vaguely human. And it sounds like this. Wait, why are these not at the default? Hang on a second. This should be 0.5 by default. And so should this. And this one. Crying? Groan tube frog? I don't know. No, it sounds like this. Which is very weird. These all just change randomly. You can also adjust the pitch. And then you can also increase excitedness, like by default, it's not changing that much. Or you can make it, if you increase the excitedness, it's like stuff's changing quicker and the pitch is going up and down. There you are. I thought it was kind of creepy. Dara finds it hilarious. I guess it kind of is if you do this. Anyway. TTS out of it? I absolutely could if I just remove the randomness and then just adjust these values myself. Literally dying? Oh no, I'm literally killing Dara. But yeah, you can adjust like the offset of each of these. So the idea was that if there are going to be multiple ones of these creatures, I'm going to call them, in the game, then they'd each have different like center frequencies for this. So they'd sound like they have different voices, for example. Like that. Instead. Or that. I don't know. I also just set up these ranges very randomly. I'm not sure if they're the best. But I thought this was pretty cool. This was like the first time I'd done a thing that's like sounds kind of like voice from the purely from like programmatically, I guess would be the word. Anyway, and on the other end of the spectrum of simplicity, we just have this. It's literally just a nyan that plays every 10 to 30 seconds. I'm now changing it so that it plays much more frequently. Oh, I also can't hear shit because it's... There we go. Oh my god, it sounds like a swarm of mosquitoes or something. What an interesting effect. Alright, that's actually not how it's meant to be played, but... Anyway, there you go. That's the thing. I guess I should show the one other thing that was in here at some point. That was based off a dream I had. I don't remember where the hell I put it though. Oh, here. Yeah, there it is. Why am I derpy right now? Oh, I guess because of all the nyan sounds. Oh my god. Hang on, let me just run past this. Shut up. Ta-da! There's a thing and it's scanning. When it sees me, it's supposed to stop. It is stopping. Holy crap, this is so much quieter than the other thing. I need to set my volume up now. What the hell? The nyan ball is following me! Okay. Anyway, that's what this does. And actually there's like a light that moves around at the end of the beams to like illuminate the place, which I thought looked pretty cool. And it can actually cast shadows as well, although you can barely see them. Oh, you can see them if I go over here. Anyway, that was the thing. I'm gonna take the nyan ball for a walk. We're gonna go for a walk. Come with me. Actually, if I run around here and go in... Hang on, this is gonna be loud. This is gonna be loud. Mind your ears! Mind your ears! Ah! Okay, I'm passing now. There are some laser beams. What the hell? How are they going through the world? Anyway, I'm thinking that it might go over the top of... Oh, there it is. There we are. Anyway, someday this might become an actual game and not just some weird sandbox that I try things in. But for now, that's what it is. Oh my god, it's like glowing pink. Oh, it's because the background is glowing pink. Alright, enough of that. Enough of that. That's the end. Where's the stop button? There it is. It's not a stop button, it's a play button. You press the play button to stop. But for now, I believe that is that. And I should be going. Because I still have to shower and it's 9 PM. So, yeah. Thank you all for hanging out. I can outdo this. Except it's not tracking me winking at all anyway, so my ears are not going to do anything when I wink if it's not seeing that I'm winking, is it? Are they? Oh, they do sometimes glitch out of it. Whatever. Hey! Why? What did I do? What did I do? Right. I need to find someone to pass you on to. But thank you very much for hanging out. I'll see if I can do another stream tomorrow, Saturday, that is, or Sunday. Because I do try to do 3 streams a week, but recently my sleep issues have been getting much worse again. It was really, really, really nice to have about 2 weeks of being able to be up in the morning and streaming, like, earlier in the day. Hopefully it can happen again sometime. But I don't think that time is right now. But I'll stream if and when I can. I think I'm gonna leave you in the hands of... Ooh, who should it be? Who should it be? I was doing software and game dev, but also it wasn't very serious. I was just trying to make my ears move, so I don't think we need to go into like a hardcore programming stream necessarily. You're welcome, Tara. I'm tempted to raid either Bixia or Dusty. I'm not sure. I think I might... Oh my god. Okay, well, you know what? We could raid into Dusty, who's currently looking very spooky. Because I was trying to show off some uneasy stuff, right? I think that's more on topic than what Bixie is doing. I don't think Bixie is doing scary things. Alright, I think we might have decided. I've whittled it down through process of elimination and trying to connect weird tangential topics that aren't really connected in a desperate effort to let something else make a decision for me. But yeah, thank you all for being here. I'll leave you for now. I'm gonna let my room cool down and shower, and maybe if I have time, grab a really, really small bit to eat, and then I'll shower. Anyway, why am I saying this? Nobody cares. Alright, I'm gonna leave you in the hands of... Shall I? Shall I? Oh, I've made a decision. Stop second guessing yourself, you. Just do it. Alright, I'm raiding Dusty, who's currently playing Omori. And, yeah, here's where we're going. We're going to this... Hey! We are going to the Bat. The Batmobile. She's actually a vampire, but I like bats, so I'm calling her a bat. Yeah, that's gonna be all for now. Thank you all for being here, Mr. Fight, as well. Sorry, thank you all for being here, and thank you, Mr. Fight, is what I meant to say. So, I started one sentence and I finished it with another one. Mixing sentences together and changing the names a lot. Alright. Here's where we're going. Yeah. She's currently in very spook mode. So don't be too scared when you go there, okay? But yeah, someday I'd like to actually have... oh my god, I shouted too loudly then I've just massively irritated my throat. And probably everyone who's listening to me is also now irritated as well. But, what was I trying to say? Oh yeah, hopefully the thing I make, if that thing ever turns into a game, will also be, spook. But more like... environmental horror, I guess. Anyway, that's all for now! Thanks for coming! I'm gonna disappear now! Bye! Pew! I do very much appreciate you all hanging out. Burger indeed, although it's probably gonna be a bowl of cereal. Bye-bye!